Neuralink, a company founded by Elon Musk and specializing in brain implants, achieved a monumental victory: approval from the United States Food and Drug Administration for its first clinical trial in humans. This milestone not only signals a significant advancement for Neuralink, but also opens the door to an innovative era in neuroscience. Permission to begin testing represents not only a leap forward for the company, but also an extraordinary opportunity to explore the potential of the brain-computer interface in revolutionary ways. This approval not only validates Neuralink's tireless efforts, but also highlights regulatory authorities' confidence and recognition in the technology's potential. The possibility of conducting clinical trials in humans marks a pivotal moment, outlining the beginning of an exciting and potentially transformative phase in the application of neural interfaces. Elon Musk and his team at Neuralink now face a unique opportunity to demonstrate the effectiveness and safety of their brain implant. This crucial step could pave the way to a future where the interaction between the human brain and technology becomes not only viable, but also an accessible reality for improving lives and tackling complex medical challenges. The recent approval from the United States Food and Drug Administration to conduct Neuralink's first clinical trial is not just a huge achievement for Elon Musk's brain implant company. This milestone represents a truly exciting and revolutionary opportunity for the field of neuroscience. Brain-computer interfacing is not new, having been explored since the 1990s. However, the innovative approach taken by Neuralink with its invasive BCI implant is redefining the limits of current technology. By directing efforts to create an ultra-high bandwidth interface directly into the cerebral cortex, the company is surpassing precedents set so far. This promising advancement offers unprecedented perspectives and places Neuralink ahead of any previous venture in this field. The window of opportunity that opens with the approval of clinical trials offers the promise of radically changing the landscape of neuroscience. The ability to connect the human brain to technology in such a direct and advanced way could trigger unimaginable discoveries and transform the way we view medical treatments and the interaction between mind and machine. This is an exciting time for Neuralink and the progress of neurological science as a whole. Although the idea of a brain-computer interface is not new, the approach taken by Neuralink represents a significant leap forward in the field of neuroscience. Elon Musk's brain implant company not only embraces this established technology since the 1990s, but completely redefines its implementation with an innovative invasive BCI. While others have explored brain-computer interfaces, Neuralink's approach is differentiated by its focus on a highly advanced invasive implant. This BCI aims to create an ultra-high bandwidth interface directly into the cerebral cortex, a feat that pushes the boundaries of current technology. While the notion of connecting the human brain to technology is nothing new, the way Neuralink is utilizing modern technology to create this interface is revolutionary. This advanced approach may well be light years ahead of anything already achieved in the field, opening up previously unexplored new avenues and possibilities in the brain-computer interface. The United States Food and Drug Administration's recent approval for Neuralink to begin its first in-human clinical trial highlights not only a milestone for Elon Musk's brain implant company, but also highlights a new approach in the field of neuroscience. While brain-computer interfacing is nothing new, the way Neuralink is delivering its invasive BCI implant is completely innovative. While others have explored this area since the 1990s, Neuralink's approach is aimed at creating an ultra-high bandwidth interface directly into the cerebral cortex, surpassing previous strategies in terms of technology and implementation. The way the company is leveraging modern technologies to establish this connection is remarkably advanced and appears to be ahead of any previous venture in this field. This approach promises to open new doors in the study of the brain-computer interface and could bring with it significant advances in understanding the mind and integration with technology. The recent news about the United States Food and Drug Administration's authorization for Neuralink to conduct its first in-human clinical trial is a watershed moment not only for Elon Musk's brain implant company, but also for the field of neuroscience as a whole. This approval represents a significant step towards clinical trials of Neuralink's technology in patients. While the precise details of this study have not yet been completely clarified, the fact that the company received this permission is a crucial validation of its work and opens the door to exploring new frontiers in the brain-computer interface. News of FDA approval was announced on May 25, signaling the beginning of an important path forward for Neuralink. While the details of the clinical study are yet to be released, this phase is a crucial milestone for the company and the field of neuroscience, outlining an exciting time full of promise for the integration between the human mind and technology. This authorization to advance clinical trials not only validates Neuralink's progress, but also highlights the United States Food and Drug Administration's recognition of the importance and potential of this technology. This not only boosts the company's efforts, but also opens doors to explore new medical and therapeutic applications. Although specific details about the patients involved in the clinical study procedures are forthcoming, this step promises significant advances in the development of the brain-computer interface. This FDA clearance is a vital step for Neuralink, allowing it to demonstrate the efficacy and safety of its brain implant in a real-world clinical setting. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration's recent approval for Neuralink to begin its first-in-human clinical trial represents more than a milestone for the brain implant company founded by Elon Musk in 2016. It denotes a significant step toward achieving Musk's ambitious vision of curing brain diseases, reversing spinal cord injuries and correcting neurological deficiencies. Since its founding, Neuralink has aimed for an ambitious goal, using the brain-computer interface to deliver significant improvements in people's health and well-being. This approval to conduct human clinical trials represents a tangible step forward in the company's journey toward this visionary goal. Musk's vision, although ambitious, seeks to go beyond treating neurological diseases. He expressed concern about the interface of the human brain with artificial superintelligence, seeking to prevent a catastrophic scenario in the style of the movie The Terminator. Although this scenario may seem futuristic, approval of clinical trials is an essential and practical step on the path to exploring the benefits of brain-computer interface in a real medical context. The United States Food and Drug Administration's recent approval for Neuralink to conduct its first-in-human clinical trial is a significant milestone in the journey of the company founded by Elon Musk in 2016. This approval not only validates the company's efforts, but also reignites the hope of revolutionary advances in the field of neuroscience. Since its creation, Neuralink has set out to face complex challenges, aiming to cure brain diseases, reverse spinal cord injuries and overcome neurological deficiencies. This FDA approval is an important confirmation for the company, signaling permission to advance its clinical testing efforts with brain implants. Elon Musk, in his pioneering vision, not only aims to treat complex medical conditions but also expresses concerns about the integration of the human brain with artificial intelligence. While these concerns may seem distant, approval of clinical trials is a concrete step toward practical use of the brain-computer interface to improve people's health and well-being. This crucial step not only validates Neuralink's commitment, but also marks an exciting moment in the advancement of neuroscience, providing hope and potential for a new era of medical treatments and mind-machine integration. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration's recent approval for Neuralink to conduct its first-in-human clinical trial marks an exciting turning point for Elon Musk's brain implant company. This authorization not only represents an important milestone for Neuralink, but also signals a critical new phase in its development path. Since its founding in 2016, Neuralink has nurtured an ambitious vision to cure brain diseases, reverse spinal cord injuries and correct neurological deficiencies. FDA approval to conduct clinical trials on patients is a concrete step toward this vision, propelling the company toward its goal of breakthrough medical advances. While specific details about the clinical study have not yet been released, this authorization is a testament to Neuralink's commitment to exploring new frontiers in the brain-computer interface. This permission to advance clinical trials not only validates the company's efforts, but also opens new perspectives for the application of brain implant technology in improving human health. Elon Musk and his team at Neuralink are faced with an unprecedented opportunity to demonstrate the effectiveness and safety of their technology. This milestone not only sets the company on a promising path, but also highlights the potential of brain-computer interface to bring significant advances in medicine and mind-machine integration. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration's recent authorization for Neuralink to conduct its first human clinical trial represents a monumental milestone for Elon Musk's brain implant company. This approval not only validates Neuralink's tireless efforts, but also represents an incredible opportunity for significant advances in the brain-computer interface. Neuralink, since its founding in 2016, has been committed to curing brain diseases, reversing spinal cord injuries and correcting neurological deficiencies. Permission to begin clinical trials in patients is a crucial step toward these visionary goals, propelling the company to explore the limits of brain implant technology. Although specific details about the selected patients and clinical study procedures are not yet completely clear, this step represents an exciting opportunity for Neuralink. The ability to allow people with paralysis to control electronic devices using only their thoughts is a revolutionary concept that Neuralink has already demonstrated in tests on monkeys, and this authorization represents a step forward towards the practical application of this advancement. Elon Musk and his team are now faced with a unique opportunity to demonstrate the feasibility and safety of their brain implant. This critical phase opens the door to a new era in neuroscience, offering the promise of significant medical advances in the integration of mind and technology. The technology reached an incredible milestone when it was demonstrated in tests with monkeys, making it possible to control a video game solely through brain signals. Neuralink, the brain implant company founded by Elon Musk, released these remarkable advances, where a healthy monkey was able to play a simple game using exclusively a wireless connection between its brain and a computer. This groundbreaking feat highlights the ability to decode brain signals to control electronic devices. The monkey, through the brain-computer interface, was able to move a cursor on the screen and perform actions in the game with just his thoughts. This achievement not only demonstrates the potential of the technology, but also opens doors to promising future medical and technological applications. Neuralink aims to establish an extremely high-bandwidth direct connection to the brain, aiming to restore complex movements in individuals affected by paralysis. Elon Musk's brain implant company is focused on developing this advanced brain-computer interface, seeking to provide a solution for people who face severe mobility limitations due to neurological conditions. Neuralink's proposal is to use its innovative technology to create a bridge between brain signals and the ability to perform complex physical movements. By offering a high-speed, high-precision connection between the brain and electronic devices, the company aspires to empower those with paralysis to control equipment like computers or smartphones with just their thoughts. This ambitious goal by Neuralink represents not only a technological breakthrough, but also a promise to significantly improve the quality of life of people affected by paralysis, offering them a new way of interacting with the world around them. The Neuralink N1 device is a remarkable advancement in the field of brain-computer interface. With its advanced configuration, it features 64 flexible wires, each equipped with 16 electrodes, providing a total of 1,024 communication channels directly with the brain. This revolutionary configuration is designed to establish a direct, high-precision connection with the human brain. Each electrode is responsible for capturing and transmitting neural signals, allowing a wide range of information to be decoded and interpreted. These multiple communication channels open up unprecedented possibilities for the interaction between technology and the human brain. This channel density offers extensive neural data capture and processing capability, aiming to provide a robust and highly efficient interface between the Neuralink N1 device and the brain. This technology has the potential to drive significant advances in understanding the human mind and developing innovative therapeutic and medical applications. Neuralink's invasive approach to brain-computer interface seeks to revolutionize existing methods, aiming to offer an even more precise and efficient connection between the brain and electronic devices. In contrast to more traditional non-invasive methods, the technology proposed by Neuralink proposes a new way of establishing this connection. By opting for an invasive method, Neuralink seeks to overcome the challenges faced by non-invasive methods by offering a direct interface with the human brain. This approach involves implanting flexible electrodes and wires into the brain, allowing for more direct and detailed communication with neurons. This search for a more precise and direct connection could represent a significant advance in the field of brain-computer interface. Neuralink's proposed technology aims to not only improve the accuracy of mind-machine communication, but also open doors to a wider range of medical and technological applications, potentially offering new solutions for neurological conditions and disabilities. The surgical procedure to implant the Neuralink N1 device is meticulous and performed using a highly specialized robot. Precision is essential in this process, as it aims to position the device's electrodes extremely close to the target neurons in the human brain. The surgical robot is designed to carry out this intervention in a precise and controlled manner, ensuring that the electrodes are implanted with the maximum precision possible. This level of precision is crucial as it allows electrodes to communicate directly with neurons, effectively capturing and transmitting neural signals. The robotic technology employed in the surgical procedure offers a unique targeting and positioning capability, ensuring that the Neuralink device is implanted in the necessary proximity to the target neurons. This precision is essential to ensure the effectiveness of the brain-computer interface, maximizing the quality of communication between the device and the human brain. Although promising, brain-computer interface technology faces challenges and limitations, but its development represents a significant advance in this innovative field. The search for a direct connection between the brain and technology is a journey fraught with technical, ethical, and medical challenges. Among the challenges faced are issues related to the safety, accuracy, and longevity of the implanted devices. The brain-computer interface is still in the early stages of development, and ensuring the effectiveness, safety, and durability of implants remains a critical point to be overcome. Additionally, ethical and regulatory issues regarding the use of this technology are also important considerations. A careful balance is required between technological advancement and guarantees of patient safety and privacy. Despite these challenges, it is crucial to recognize that brain-computer interface technology represents a notable advancement. It offers significant promise for improving people's lives, especially for those with neurological conditions that limit their functionality. With continued research, advancements in technology, and appropriate regulations, this field has the potential to achieve extraordinary achievements in the future. Neuralink is moving forward with its development and has an ambitious vision for the future, including plans to establish its own specialized medical clinics. The company led by Elon Musk is focused not only on advancing brain implant technology, but also on creating its own medical infrastructure to offer treatments based on this innovative brain-computer interface. The idea of creating its own medical clinics signals Neuralink's intention to expand its impact in the field of neuroscience and applied medicine. These clinics can offer a specialized environment for the diagnosis, treatment, and monitoring of patients who would benefit from the technological advances offered by Neuralink. This initiative not only points to an expansion of the company's horizons, but also highlights an ongoing commitment to advancing research and practical applications of these brain implants. Neuralink appears to be directing its efforts toward not only developing cutting-edge technology, but also creating a medical infrastructure that makes these advances accessible and effective for those in need. This move by Neuralink paves the way for the emergence of new possibilities in treating neurological conditions and advancing the brain-computer interface, representing an ambitious and exciting commitment toward an innovative future in medicine. The evolution of Neuralink and its foray into brain-computer interfacing represents an exciting frontier at the intersection of technology and human health. Advances in this area offer promise of revolutionizing not only the way we interact with technology, but also transforming lives, especially for those facing neurological limitations. While there are challenges and limitations to overcome, Neuralink's remarkable progress and bold vision toward a direct connection between the brain and technology promise extraordinary advances. This journey towards mind-machine integration continues to spark curiosity and hope, pushing neuroscience into new frontiers. With continued research, technological innovation, and sound ethical considerations, Neuralink and other pioneers in this field are paving the way to a future where the restoration of neurological functionality and the amplification of human capabilities can become a reality. The journey towards understanding and applying the brain-computer interface is just beginning, but the possibilities that open up are extraordinary and full of transformative potential for humanity.